Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. So today I want to answer a question that somebody left from one of my videos, and that is basically, what is lecithin and why should you use it? So this is one of the ingredients that we use in the cannabis cooking market. So lecithin is basically a substance that helps ingredients bind together. So in layman's term, we use this in order to make sure ingredients that usually don't mix stay together. Another thing that I want to go over is the different type of lecithin. So you have your soy and there's sunflower. Most people use sunflower because it's non-GMO. Now as far as measurements or ratio, you're going to use 1 teaspoon per 1 cup. Now some of the claims for using lecithin, the biggest one is lecithin supposed to change the bioavailability of the cannabinoids. So it's supposed to process it differently when you use the lecithin. It's supposed to help your body access the THC and the other cannabinoids more easily. So basically less THC would be wasted by the body, making the edibles more potent. Now once again, there's no research to confirm this as of right now, but once marijuana is legalized, you will know more about this stuff. But do your own research, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you.